Hey guys! What's up? Welcome back to my channel where I teach you all about social media for creators and entrepreneurs. In this video, I'm going to talk about Instagram highlights. I'm going to show you how you can create them in Canva, how to make your covers more interesting, how you can post them without posting them on your stories first, and which categories you should include in your profile. So let's jump right in. But first, please subscribe if you're new to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified every time I upload. So first, let's talk about which categories you should include. Since you're building a brand, you should be very intentional with what you put in your highlights and make the most out of this valuable space on your profile. So every highlight has to have a purpose and should contribute to the end result. Whether that's getting more traffic to your website, getting more sales, building an audience, or anything else. So with everything we put out as a business, our goal should be to get our audience to know, like, and trust us. That's the foundation for everything else. So ideally, we would set up our highlights in a way that will help us accomplish all three. So you want the people who visit your profile to get to know you. So I would definitely use one of the highlights to tell your story or a story about your business. Then use one of the highlights to post video testimonials, reviews, client journeys, before and afters, and so on. This will establish trust and show your followers that you're amazing at what you do. Then use at least one of the highlights to show off your personality and glimpses of your personal life. People will like you and connect with you way more if they see that you're a real person. Alright, so now that we've established the know, like, and trust factors, I would suggest using at least one of the highlights to talk about your products. Now is the time to sell, so describe it in detail, talk about the features, answer Q&As, and so on. I would also use one of the highlights to offer a freebie if you're collecting emails. So these are the basic categories that I think you should definitely include on your profile. You can also add some other info like shipping information, your location, information about bookings and reservations, and so on. Alright, so now that we've decided which categories we want to include, I'm going to show you how I create my highlight covers in Canva. Alright, so go to Canva and search for highlight covers. Okay, so we're going to use one of these designs as a template. I'm going to pick this one. So to change the color, click on the background, tap delete, and change the color here. You can also go to backgrounds and pick a pattern or upload a photo here. So what's gonna be seen on your Instagram profile is this part right here. So keep that in mind when picking the colors. You can change this up by going to Elements, enter circle in the search bar, and pick the one you like. So most people put either symbols or text here, but you can definitely make it more interesting by adding, for example, letters and writing out the word throughout the highlights like this. You can even add your own photos if you want. It's a fun way to show off your creativity if you're a personal brand or an influencer. Another cool thing you can do is you can create an ombre effect by doing different shades of the same color. You can do that by picking one color, copying the graphic, and making the next one a little bit darker or a little bit lighter. So if you have a theme on your profile, you can make the covers match the main colors of the photos in your profile. Let me show you a trick on how you can do that. So take a screenshot of your profile, upload it to html_colorcodes.info. We're going to choose a few colors that represent your color scheme. So click on the first color that is dominant on your profile and write down the code. Hex code is a 6-digit number that is like a color ID. Then go to Canva, click on this circle, enter the hex code in this window and click enter. So here we go, your color appears here. If you do that with all 5 covers, you'll get a nice cohesive look that will blend with your profile. So if you're not into all of that and you just want a basic text or a symbol, I'm gonna show you how to do that. For text, just write it out and choose one of the fonts Canva offers. The next thing I want to show you is how you can add a symbol. You can find many symbols by clicking elements in Canva, but the problem is that it's hard to find 5 symbols that have the exact same style or design. So I'm going to show you how to get your own custom symbols. So go to flaticon.com and enter a search term that best describes what you're looking for. Choose an icon pack you like the most, download it, and then upload it to Canva. Alright, so now that we've got our highlight covers, I'm going to show you how you can put them on your profile without posting them on your stories first. Okay, so most people change their covers by posting them in their stories first, which can confuse their followers. But I'm going to show you how you can change them in your highlights. So go to your highlight, then tap on 3 dots at the bottom, click Edit Highlight, Edit Cover, and upload your cover from your camera roll. Alright guys, that's it. I hope your highlights are looking amazing. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more cool videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.